Hello, Merry Christmas to all the people on the channel. We're just doing a little video. Next to me, my dad's seat, Tilly's seat. And if you watch my YouTube channel, you know the YouTube channel is slightly dedicated to my dad that liked his radios, and a lot of his old radios appear on the channel. So I thought just to what do you call it, commemorate him, we come and visit his seat on Christmas. It's actually Boxing Day today, but you'll see it on Christmas Day. So this one's for my Auntie Hazel, his sister, and David Etchells that went to work with him, who always mentions him all the time. Now the seat's here is because we went on holiday here, and so did my grandma. And my grandma kind of was instrumental in making sure the Roman bathhouse here got which used to be all covered in overgrown and no one knew it was there. And it's been kind of, I won't say restored, but it's now looked after, and part of my grandma was instrumental in getting that done. So the seat's there, and my grandma's bathhouse is there. So it's just a quick video today, so I think we'll get some radios out to reunite my dad with his radios. Now there's a special thing about these two radios, which I'll tell you about in a moment. If you watch the channel, you'd have seen this one a few times. The old Polar SITT. You use that every day to listen to Manx radio on. So we'll put that there. And this one, you don't see this one as much. That's a National Panasonic. So there you go. And these were both my dad's radios. So these are my grandpa's radios. So my grandpa had this one in the 1970s. It is early 70s because a lot of people on the channel say they used to listen to Radio North Sea on something like that. So it's definitely about 70, 71. And this one, National Panasonic, is early 80s. And it was given to him when he retired because he worked for Macclesfield Borough Council, and this was his retirement present. So we've still got two of my dad's radios, and we've got his 1960s radios being done up by Disco Coffee at the moment, so it's in the works. But when Disco Coffee gets around to it, we'll reunite all three radios that my grandpa had. So we'll just have a quick flick around on the radio. What would my dad have listened to when he was in Ravenglass? Well, obviously, he would have listened to Manx Radio in 1368, which started broadcasting in 1964. So he used to listen to all the Isle Man TT racing and all stuff like that, and it's still there as a medium wave translator. How long more, we don't know, but it's still there. Blasting through. Now let's just see. I think it might be a bit early. Let's see if there's anything on shortwave. Anything special, because it is Boxing Day. Not Boxing Day, Christmas Eve, so there might be some things hanging about. A bit early. There's something there, but yeah, we'd have listened to a lot of shortwave. So when he came up here, he used to listen to Radio Facts on 6205 a lot, which is long gone. What else would he have listened to? He would have listened to the Voice of America and the World Service, and they were both on 6 megacycles on shortwave, which are both long gone as well. So, but that's what he would have listened to. Plenty of Manx radio to listen to up here, and in the 60s he would have tuned to Caroline North, Radio Caroline North. So yeah, just a little video for you there. Hope you enjoyed it. My dad united with his dad's radios, which I thought would be a nice touch. Have a good Christmas, everyone.